here's how I have mine set up. I have all my cords either coming out the top or the back of the vent. I have a little light bulb. I just got from IKEA. I just have the vent go out this way. That probably needs to be tightened. And they told me to have one hole open-ish, because this is double hold, to suck in air. And then I use this nail thing to cure my stuff because I only make tiny stuff. I got my wash station. I got my printer. I got this old pet cage litter box full of resin and my vats that have holes in them that I'm too lazy to fix. And I put my goggles on the top of my printer so I don't forget to put them on and get resin in my eyeball again because that burned really bad. Oh my gosh. And this guy's the biggest printer I've had for resin, so you could get a lot in there if you really wanted to. And then it just goes out the window. Oh. Yep. So I'm pretty content. You know, $150 and makes me happy.